back to my channel. Today we'll be making banana bread, and as you can see I have a little helper with me. So before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it so that you don't miss any videos, and let's get started.
We'll take a large bowl and put our ripe bananas in it. My helper will mash them with a fork now. We're using a fork for this because we don't want them to be completely pureed. We want a chunky consistency. Once they are mixed well, we'll add 1/4 cup of white sugar and keep mixing it. Now we'll add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 whole egg, keep mixing it. 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm using salted butter here, but if you're using unsalted butter, just add half teaspoon of salt with it. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Keep mixing it. It's so aromatic right now with the flavors of vanilla and banana together. Whisk it, whisk it. Now 1½ cup of all-purpose flour or maida. No need to sift it, just add it and mix it. Mix it really well so that all the ingredients are combined together. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it in. The batter is becoming fluffy because of the baking soda now. In the end, we'll add a cup of our favorite chocolate chips. Mix them in really well. Now we'll pour it all in a greased bread loaf pan and even it out with a spoon. Now our pan is ready to go in the oven. We'll bake it at 325°F for 75 minutes. This moist, fragrant, delicious banana bread is out of the oven and ready. At this time, make sure your helper is at safe distance from it. We'll let it cool in the baking tray itself for 10 minutes. After that, we'll take it out on a cooling tray and let it sit for 20 minutes, and then we'll slice it. With its super moist texture, buttery banana and brown sugar flavors, and incredibly soft crumb, this is the best ever banana bread recipe. I'm sure you'll love this. Share your experiences with me in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Have fun!